Lovebird pet. Lovebirds can make wonderful and entertaining pets for people who are willing to dedicate time and effort to their care. Here are some key points to consider. If you are thinking about getting a lovebird as a pet, social nature. Lovebirds are highly social birds and thrive on interaction. They are known for forming strong bonds with their owners. But they also need regular interaction with others. Lovebirds or companionship from their human caregivers. Keeping a single lovebird requires more attention from you. As you will need to take the place of its missing companion. Species and personality. There are several species of lovebirds, and each has its own personality traits. For example, peach-faced lovebirds are known for being playful and outgoing. While fishes' lovebirds are often described as more shy and reserved. Consider the species characteristics and choose one that matches your preferences and lifestyle. Housing. Provide a spacious cage with plenty of room. For the lovebird to move around, stretch its wings, and play with toys. The cage should have horizontal bars for climbing and multiple perches of varying sizes. Avoid cages with circular shapes, as they can be disorienting for birds. Toys and enrichment. Lovebirds are intelligent and active birds that need mental stimulation. Diet. A well-balanced diet is essential for your lovebird's health. A high-quality pellet mix supplemented with fresh fruits. Vegetables, and occasional treats like seeds or nuts is recommended. Avoid feeding them avocado, chocolate, caffeine, alcohol, and other toxic foods. Training and interaction. Lovebirds can be trained to perform tricks and enjoy interactive playtime with their owners. Positive reinforcement training methods work best. Spending time talking, whistling, and playing with your lovebird will strengthen your bond. Noise. Lovebirds are not as loud as some larger parrot species. But they can still be vocal. If you live in an apartment or close to neighbors, consider the noise level and whether it might be an issue. Remember, lovebirds have long lifespans, up to 15-20 years. Proper care, attention, and love will ensure a happy and healthy relationship with your pet lovebird. Please subscribe our channel.